Ultimea Apollo S70 Ultra Soundbar. Main features are: Ultimea Apollo S70 Ultra is a distinctive soundbar system that focuses on delivering an immersive home theater experience with a strong emphasis on customizable sound and dynamic lighting effects. Audio performance and configuration. 7.1 channel system, this is a highlight, offering a more expansive surround sound experience. It includes 5 main channels for clear dialogue and front soundstage. 2 rear surround speakers. These are wired to the subwoofer and aim to provide true surround effects, immersing you in the audio. They also feature ambient lighting. 1 wired subwoofer. A 6.5-inch subwoofer with Bass MX technology for deep and impactful low frequencies. Surround X technology. Ultimea's proprietary technology designed to deliver precise audio with high detail accuracy. It converts 2.0 PCM signals into a 7.1 surround sound signal, aiming to make sound move around you. Detachable design with center channel. The main soundbar unit is designed to be detachable into 3 sections: left, center, right. This allows for flexible placement as a single long soundbar, as a central speaker with 2 detached side speakers. The dedicated center channel is specifically designed to improve vocal clarity. 410 watts peak music power output, PMPO, indicates a powerful audio output for filling your room with sound. 8 high-performance drivers. The system includes a total of 8 drivers, 5 in the main soundbar, 2x, 5, 1 in the subwoofer, 5.25, and 2 in the surround speakers, 2x, 2. Frequency range, 45 Hz, 18 kHz. Max sound pressure level, greater than 102 decibels. EQ presets and customization. Smart app control. A major feature, the Ultimea app allows for extensive audio customization. 121 expert EQ presets, across various genres like bass, pop, classical, and rock. 10-band customizable equalizer, for fine-tuning your sound to exact preferences. 6 tailored EQ modes: movie, music, voice, sport, game, and night.